Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create labels in WPS Office. If you would like to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and here you need to click on text box. We need to click somewhere here, and then I select maybe horizontal type of text box. Now I draw here a simple text box, maybe something like that. I change the font size maybe to 20, and I type here maybe name, then I press enter, I type here age, I type here city and maybe country. Then I need to modify position of this text box maybe to this one, and I click shape outline and I select color which I want to use. Maybe I will select here steel blue color, so I click on it. And now if you will click somewhere outside the box, you may see that the first label has been successfully created here. But of course you can copy and paste this label, so I click on it, I click Ctrl C from my keyboard, and I click Ctrl V from my keyboard. Then it will be pasted here, so I will be able to change position of this label, maybe somewhere here. We can zoom this to this one view. It will be really easy to set correct position of this label. And remember that you can always try to go to view and enable here grid lines. It may be really useful for you to do it. So for example, I will change position of this label to this line and position of this label to this line. Okay, we have made it correctly, so I select here this label, I press and hold shift and I select this label. I click right mouse button here, I click copy and I click somewhere here, I click right mouse button here and I select this one option to paste. Now we can repeat this action for other labels. So for example, I will set position somewhere here for these labels. And on this way you can easily create another labels if you want. Of course, if you will finish, you can go to view and you can uncheck this option with grid lines. Okay, so it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.